Lot number 3025D is in dog. We have a SEADOO 580 yellow engine out of a 1991 SEADOO XP. It's a clean freshwater motor. We're going to do an engine compression test. We just tested the spark, and the spark is good also. We're going to start with the magneto side first. It's got 150 pounds of compression on the magneto side. This engine is available from Martos Motorsports. See the banner there? There's our phone number, 218-844-4968. Next, we're going to do the PTO side. PTO side also has 150 pounds of compression. Again, our phone number is 218-844-4968. If you'd like to buy this SEADOO engine. Thanks for stopping by.